I share with you all today how you can make this super delicious chicken sandwich at the comfort of your home. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Here I have chicken thigh, which I already cleaned and cut into small cubes. I just go in with my seasoning. I'm making use of salt, black pepper, rosemary, curry, and some seasoning cube as well, some ginger and some garlic, some onion powder as well. I will leave the full ingredients of the seasoning that I'm using in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Once I add all the seasoning, I just go ahead and mix everything together until they are well combined. I also make use of chili pepper, but feel free to season your chicken according to your taste. I'm going to set the chicken aside and allow to marinate for as long as I want. In a frying pan, I just go ahead and add some vegetable oil. You can make use of olive oil if you want and allow to heat up. Once it's heated up, I just go in with the chicken, spread everything nicely and allow to fry. I'm going to cover the fry pan and allow the chicken to steam a little bit before it started frying, alright? If you keep it open, it's going to fry immediately, but if you cover it, it's going to steam a little bit before it started frying so the chicken can cook nicely. The chicken is cooking nicely. I just come back to flip it to the other side as well so the other side can also fry. And I don't want my chicken to be too dry. I don't want it too soft or too dry. I want it in between. Feel free to fry the chicken according to your taste. Like I always say, when you are cooking your food, cook it according to your taste. Once the chicken is stir fried together really well, I just go in with some onion and some green pepper, and this changed the game of the chicken sandwich. Trust me guys, you can go ahead and add some yellow pepper, the red pepper, but I just choose to use the green one and the onion. I'm going to give everything a quick stir, cover the pan again, and just allow the onion and the green pepper to release the flavor into the chicken. And you guys, this tasted so good and it smells so good and it's looking beautiful already. Trust me guys, go and give it a try. You will not regret it. This about 2 minutes later, the onion and the green pepper has do the job. I don't want them to overcook, alright? I still want it to be very crunchy in the chicken. I stir everything together really well and I'm going to go ahead and take it off the pan and set it aside so we can assemble our sandwich. You guys, it smells so good. I'm going to quickly make a quick sauce for the sandwich. I just added some sweet chili pepper, added some ketchup as well, and I'm going to go in with some mayo and mix everything together until they are well combined. Feel free to add any sauce of your choice that you have, but these are 3 sauces that I have at home. I just make use of them. Feel free to add whatever you want, as I said earlier. I mix everything together really well and I'm going to set it aside. To open up my bread and set it aside as well. This is fino bread. We call this type of bread fino bread in Egypt, but feel free to make use of any bread of your choice. If you are in Nigeria, go for your agege bread. Trust me, it is the best. Wherever you are, feel free to make use of any bread of your choice. I just open up the bread and set it aside. The sandwich together, I just go in with the chicken, but you can go in with the sauce first and then you go in with the chicken. There is no rule and regulation in the kitchen. It is your food. Just do it the way you are going to like it. All right, as you guys see, I go in with my chicken and then I'm going to go in with the sauce. Be generous with that chicken. All right, don't be stingy with the chicken so your family can enjoy it. All right, I just go in with the sauce. Once I had enough sauce to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and top it up with a little bit of lentils, and that is it guys. It is so simple to put together and absolutely delicious. Go and give it a try. Your family will love it. You yourself will definitely love it. Once I'm done with this one, I'm going to set it aside and repeat the same process till I'm done with all the bread that I have. I serve it with some french fries, which I have a video on that, and I serve it with the rest of the sauce, and it's super delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys will give this simple delicious recipe a try. See you guys in my next video. Bye.